Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to rename a PDF file in your mobile. So it is very simple. Simply you can open your file manager. Okay, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and here you can see this is my file manager, and you can go to document sections and you can find out your PDF. Okay, otherwise you can simply search with that PDF name, then it will be appear here. So in normally file manager we can easily find out where is your PDF file. Okay, so find the PDF file. I'm going to change this name, appointment chart name, to change something else. Okay, so simply press and hold, then it will be selected, then go to three dots you can see here, tap that, then tap on rename you can see here, and simply select the name before the dot. Okay, .pdf, it is an extension, so do not change that, only change the name what's before that extension .pdf. Okay, you can see here I'm clearing all my previous name and change it to this one, file 2026. You can see here .pdf is there. I'm not changing that, because if you are changing .pdf, then that file it is changed to something else, then that file not opening with your PDF file viewer. So do not change that last extensions. Okay, so that's it guys. You can see here file name is changed. So in this way you can simply change your file names in your Android mobile. I'm using now my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so it is very simple to change a PDF file name in mobile. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.